Shoutout po muna sa aking mentor na si Chief Engineer Elizalde Naget ng Bulacan. Yan, so partner ko yan nung ako ay oiler at siya naman ay third engineer. So ingat ka dyan, sir. So yung formula natin, power gain is equal to voltage output times current output divided by voltage input times current input. Okay, so yung given natin, yung input, 0.1 volt and 0.5 milliamperes yung current natin. Yung output, 2 volts and yung current natin, 10 milliamperes. Okay, so 2 volts times 10 milliamperes divided by 0.1 volt times 0.5 milliampere is equal to 400. Okay, yan yung power gain natin. Okay, yung isang formula natin, power gain is equal to voltage gain times current gain. Okay, yung voltage gain natin, formula is equal to voltage output divided by voltage input is equal to 2 volts divided by 0.1 volt equals 20 volt. Yan. So yung current gain natin is equal to current output divided by current input. Okay? 10 milliamperes divided by 0.5 milliampere equals 20 milliamperes. Okay, so yung formula natin, power gain, 20 volts times 20 milliamperes equals 400. Okay, so same lang. Yan. Okay, so same lang yung sagot natin, makukuha natin. Kasi may mga question sa Marina Board Exam na same yung question, same yung problem, tapos nagtatanong sila ng ilan yung current gain, kung ilan yung voltage gain. Okay, so kailangan alam din natin tong formula na to.